coming back to Rochester after traveling around the States, looking for a community to like enmesh into. It's just like, this is a dream come true. And the grant program and being in this room really speaks volumes to our scene. You know, it's vibrant and we're supporting each other.
So tall, just to see that we had it all. And I miss the way we laughed, just as children seem to laugh. The times they turn were all the lessons I'm bound to learn. Like sitting up, standing down. Well, all I am is all around. As we learn to fake a smile, we let the hurt hurt for a while. There's nothing wrong with a little rain, oh, just as long as we smile again. Yeah, you know I hate goodbyes. Well, all the years they keep passing me by. Around in circles we will sit again, to surf the wave, to jump right in. Reach our end, a rainbow, a rose, and all of our friends, a ripple of sound around again. So shall we go as we begin. Business of giving you music. I wanna bend your mind and help you to lose it. Don't we all just wanna feel alright? tell you stories, or won't you listen? All the good times will go reminiscing. Don't we all just wanna feel alright? I want to go back home to my heart in what it knows. I can feel it inside my bones. Just how much I love you and just how great you make this good life go. We are just one big family now. We're building bridges and community now. Don't we all just wanna feel alright? Don't we all just wanna express ourselves? Be seen, be heard, be held, and love our best selves. Don't we all just wanna feel alright? I want to go back home to my heart in what it knows. Yeah, I can feel it inside my bones. Just how much I love you and just how great you make this good life go. And I am maybe you're a rock star flaunting your guitar down on Pearl Street. Or maybe you're a hippie searching for the 60s, bobbing in your bare feet. Or maybe you're a stranger ready to rearrange the ways in which you seek. Whoever you are, wherever you go, well there you are. No matter the road, stop talking so fast, stop thinking so low. Get to know yourself, you can never grow old. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Maybe you're a farmer getting high on your karma, a cashmere couch surfer or a rattlesnake charmer. Or maybe you're a Buddha studying at the school, yeah, a buffalo soldier doing kundalini yoga. Or maybe you're a climber in the canyon divine, or a tea-bag prophet with a cardboard sign singing. Whoever you are, wherever you go, well there you are. No matter the road, stop talking so fast, stop thinking so low. Get to know yourself, you can never grow old. Oh no, I love you wherever you are now. I love you wherever you want to go. I love you wherever you want to be. I love you. Or maybe you're a woman, maybe you're a man, or maybe you live together, living life in your van where the road is your home, the map's on your lap, you're dreaming coast to coast on no pine cones inside. Or maybe you're a suit with a busy attitude, where time flies by but the money's what you choose. I know those with less have given me more, and I will keep that in mind. I'll sit with the poor and we'll talk about the sages. We'll talk about the ages, but bright like the flat on the full lotus fires blazing. I love you, the lions and the red rocks, never ever nettling the dead heads and sand house. Whoever you are, wherever you go, well there you are now. No matter the road, stop talking so fast, stop thinking so low. Get to know yourself, or you can never grow old. Oh no, I love you, wherever you are now, now. And I love you, wherever you want to go. I love you, wherever you want to be. I love you. I fell in love with the mountains, fell in love with the girls. I fell in love with those guys and the skies in your eyes and the curls in your hair, the black jeans that you wear, the tattoo, the gauges, the dancing courageous, your hula hoop style. It's making me proud. I'm staring at you while I'm singing out loud. We loved each other for a very short time. We couldn't catch each other cause we're too damn wild. As green as I am, no war as you are. We painted it pretty and just we made it pretty far. I love what we had. I know you know I do, so let the fire in my heart be enough to prove, yeah, yeah. And I love you, wherever you are now, now. And I love you, wherever you want to go. And I